Our world is in transition. Countries are looking for new ways to cope with climate change. Our work is to protect and restore one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. A REDD+ initiative, supported by verified carbon credits. This is the Katingan project. In Indonesia, on the island of Borneo, in the southern reaches of central Kalimantan, lies a critical ecosystem, almost twice the size of New York City. 200,000 hectares of peat swamp forest, teeming with life. As much as 5 to 10% of the world's remaining orangutan population lives in this forest. There are thousands of species, protected, endangered, some on the brink of extinction. This land has high conservation value. Indigenous communities and migrants from across Indonesia have lived here for generations, working sustainably with the land. But today, short-term economic interests threaten this land. Local communities struggle to maintain their way of life. The problem goes deeper. This is peat, a carbon storage consisting of leaves, plants, and wood, accumulated over thousands of years down to a depth of 15 meters. This peatland forest is estimated to contain 1 gigaton of carbon matter. If we fail to protect this land from deforestation, sustained water drainage, and uncontrollable peat fires, its degradation will see the release of 8 million metric tons of CO2 per year. This is close to the annual emissions produced by almost 2 million cars, or 2 coal-fired power stations.
Restoring peatlands is a very effective way to combat climate change. It is important for us to show to the world that our effort can be quantified.
The Katingan project employs strict scientific methods and state-of-the-art technology to gather emissions data. Our carbon credits are being validated by the Verified Carbon Standard and by climate, community, and biodiversity standards.
To combat climate change, it is really important to reduce carbon emission, but that's not everything. A key component of any good carbon project is the involvement of local communities.
The project is based on active participation, patrolling the land, preventing fires, reforesting degraded areas, and developing sustainable livelihoods so that the people may prosper as the forest continues to sequester CO2. The Katingan project is set to protect and restore this biologically diverse, carbon-rich forest for the next 60 years and beyond. We are the custodians of a delicate, life-giving ecosystem crucial to the world climate. We can make a difference together. To support this project and offset your carbon emissions, go to www.katinganproject.com.